everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class I explain you multiplication of fraction. See here, the question is 3 upon 4 multiply 14 upon 18 multiply 5 upon 21. 3 and 18 have common factor, that is 3, so we cut them. 3 and it is 6. 3 times 6 is equivalent to 18, so we cut them. Now anything which we can cut, just look at here. 4 and 14, these two are even numbers, so we can cut them by 2. Yes, so 2 multiply 2 is 4 and 2 multiply 7 is equivalent to 14, so we cut them. Now further, anything which we can cut here, just look at here. See here, 7 and 21, these two are having one common factor, that is 7, so we cut them again, and it is 7 multiply 3 is 21, so we cut them. Now any other thing which we can cut here? No. 5 is not a factor of any of them, so we cannot cut them. Now write the values 1 multiply 5 upon 2 multiply 6 multiply 3. So it is equivalent to 5, multiply them numerator, all numerator, and here we multiply these two numbers. 6 into 2 into 6 is 12, 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Now this time denominator is more than the numerator, so it is a proper fraction, so write the answer. So this is the answer. Now the next question is 2 1 by 2 multiply 3 4 by 5 multiply 17 upon 19. This one is in mixed fraction. This is also in mixed fraction. So first rule is that first we convert them into a improper fraction. Then how do we convert? We multiply this denominator to this one. 2 multiply 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 upon 2. Multiply 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15 and 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. And denominator will be same, and here you write the same number. Now anything which you can cut here, just look at here, 19 and 19, these two are the same number, so we can cut them. 5 and 5, these two are same number, so we can cut them. What is left? Only 2 is left. 2 is left here, and in numerator only 17 is left. So can we cut them? No, we cannot cut them because these two are not a factor of each other. So write down 1 multiply 17 upon 2 multiply 1 multiply 1. So the answer is 17 upon 2. And this time numerator is greater than the denominator. So it means it is not in proper fraction. So we convert them into a mixed fraction. So divide them. 2 is 16 and it is 1. This number, this is the answer. So you write down this number in the middle. Remainder you write down here and 2 you write down here. So this is the answer. I explain you one more question, that is 2 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 5 multiply 9 upon 72. So what we do first? First we convert mixed fraction into a improper fraction. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 upon 5 multiply 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 upon 5. And it is 72. 72 is a factor of 12. Yes? So we can cut them. 12 ones and this is 6. 12 multiply 6 is equivalent to 72. Now anything which we can cut here, just look at here, 6 is here and 6 is here. So we can cut them. Now any other thing? No. 5 is not a factor of 9 or 9 is not a factor of 5. So we cannot cut them. So write the value 1 multiply 9 and here it is 5 multiply 1. So the answer is 9 upon 25. This time denominator is more than the numerator. It means it is in proper fraction. So write the answer here. This is the answer. Now come to the module number 5, page number 20. A man filled 13 bottles with 1.5 liter of milk in each. how much milk did he fill? So then how do we solve? Milk filled in one bottle. Is equal to 1 by 2 liter. Now milk filled in 13 bottles is equivalent to, so what we do here, milk filled in one bottle is equal to 1 by 2 liter. So milk filled in 13 bottles. We have to find the value of more. So what we do here, we multiply it. 13 multiply 1 by 2. The next step is, first we convert this one into an improper fraction. And this we write down. 13 upon 1 multiply 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 upon 2. Here nothing we can cut, so we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So what is the answer? 13 into 3 is equal to 39 upon 2. This time denominator is less than the numerator. So we convert this one into a mixed fraction. So we divide it. Now just see, this we write in the middle and this we write here and it is here. So it is 19 1 by 2 liter. So what is the answer? So the answer is 19 1 by 2 liter of milk is required to fill 13 bottles. Now the next question is, a bag contains 3 by 4 kg of cashew nuts. What will be the weight of 48 such bags? Here the weight of one bag is equivalent to 3 by 4 kg. So I convert this one into a improper fraction. Then how do we convert? Multiply, then add. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 3 is equivalent to 11. 11 upon 4 kg. Now this time we have to calculate weight of 48 bags. So the weight of 48 bags is equivalent to, what we do? We multiply them. Because nothing is written in the denominator of 48, so I am writing 1 here. Can we cut anything here? You see, 4 and 48. 48 is a multiple of 4. So we can cut 4, 1 and it is equivalent to 12. So 11 into 12 is equivalent to what? Into 132 kg. So we write weight of 48 bags is 132 kg. This is the answer. I explain you one more question here. Here the question is 5, 7 upon 10 kg of sweets are to be equally distributed among 19 students. Find how much will each get. Here how many students? 19 students get sweets is equivalent to 19 students get. So the 19 students get 5, 7 upon 10 kg sweets. What we do? We convert this one into an improper fraction. So multiply, then add. 10 into 5, 50. 50 plus 7 is equal to 57. 57 upon 10 kg. But this time we have to calculate how much one student get the toffee? One student gets is equal to, so this time we are calculating the value of lesser person. Mean this time it is for we have value for 19 students. Now we have to calculate it for one student. So it means we divide them. 57 upon 10 divided by 19. As I told you, nothing is here, so we can write 1 here. So for solving this one, we have to reciprocal this number and put the sign of multiplication here. And it is 1 upon 19. So see, 57 is a multiple of 19. So we can cut the 19. And it is 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10 kg of sweets that each student will get. So each student will get three upon 10 kg of sweets. Okay everyone, thank you class.